1. Material composition and construction. ESD vinyl flooring tiles. Made of conductive or dissipative materials that can control static electricity. Often constructed with a conductive layer or carbon-infused vinyl to effectively conduct charges away from personnel and equipment. Other anti-static materials. ESD epoxy is applied as a liquid layer that hardens to form a seamless surface. Anti-static mats are usually rubber-based and portable, but may not be as durable as a permanent floor. 2. Durability and longevity. ESD vinyl tiles. Known for their durability, they can last several years with proper maintenance. Vinyl's resilience to foot traffic and resistance to chemicals make it ideal for industrial settings. Other anti-static materials. ESD epoxy is wear-resistant, but may crack if the subfloor moves. Rubber mats are less durable and may need replacing over time because of wear. 3. Ease of installation. ESD-controlled tiles. Installation involves adhesive and tile placement, which can be a straightforward process but requires skilled labor. However, ESD tiles are relatively easy to replace if damaged. Other anti-static materials. ESD epoxy requires significant preparation and skilled labor. Anti-static mats are simple to install and require no adhesive, but they don't provide a seamless or permanent solution. 4. Conductive efficiency and static control. ESD static PVC flooring tiles. Highly efficient for static control and ideal for environments with sensitive electronic equipment. Their conductive properties are built into the tile material, providing consistent performance. Other anti-static materials. ESD epoxy has great conductivity over a large area but may be ineffective when damaged or worn. Anti-static mats are effective yet have limited range and less consistent coverage than full-floor solutions. In addition, anti-static vinyl flooring tiles offer a balanced solution with ease of maintenance, good aesthetic options, and effective static control. Other anti-static materials, like epoxy and mats, serve different needs, from heavy industrial applications to temporary setups. Static vinyl tiles may be the best fit if the requirement is a permanent, durable, and aesthetically adaptable anti-static solution, while other materials may suit budget, space, or temporary needs.